Hi everyone, so another vlog. Good day to you who are watching about my vlog tungkol sa ESL teaching. So, let's know about Priply again. This is a company na nandito rin ako. So, I've been teaching here and as you can see, this is my money here. Kasi hindi ganun ako ka-active dito. But it's useful also to know students out of all the nationalities in the world. So, yun nga. I've been using this for almost, I think, let's know. Tignan ko lang yung profile ko, yung insights. Kasi makikita nyo dito kung ilang days ka na separately. Bale, lang. Yan, nakikita nyo, ito yung days ko, 1,204. Di ko alam kung kailan ako nag-start. Bale, kasi nag-hide ako ng profile dito tapos nalaman ko nang makakapag-earn talaga dito ng pera kaya tinuloy ko. Pero alam nyo, na-disappoint lang talaga ako kasi ang dami ko na naging student. I'll show you my lessons. This one, my lessons. Kaya ang dami ko na naging student dito. Pero at the same time, lahat na ng pera ay napupunta sa Preply. So it's very, you know, nakakaloka. Kasi syempre, 50 minutes lahat to. Tapos kagabi may nag-book uli ng trial. So, punta na naman sa kanila yung pera. Walang problema talaga. So, this is the trial lesson. Message mo yung student dito. Yan, message mo sila. Once nag-view sila ng profile mo, scroll yung profile mo. Makikita mo. So, yun. View, then message mo yung student after the okay, like for example, yan, congratulations, schedule the first lesson. Ito muna yung magpapakita sa'yo, like, Drake started booking a trial with you. Then, kapag nag-decide na yung student na gusto niya ikaw maging teacher niya, congratulations. Congratulations, wala kang bayad. So, yon, let's know the classroom of Preply. Then, alam ko kung saan ako bagal. Bagal ng internet. Dalawa siya. Ewan ko. Na-record ba siya? Yan. Ganito yung tsura. Pwede mo siyang i-off yung mic. Pwede mo turn off also yung... Bale, ito yung tsura. Let's enter the classroom. Ito, ko lang ma-adjust. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust here kung anong gusto mong layout. Like spotlight. For example, nandito si student. Ito si student, tapos ikaw ito. So, that would be the setup. Tapos, makakapag-share screen ka din. For example, I'll share my screen. For example, this one, going kong. And makapag-share ka ng screen, student mo, makikita niya kung ano yung topic. For example, gusto mo yung PPT, pwede mong i-share screen yun sa student. Then, makakapag-chat ka din while on class. Makakapag-chat ka kay student like, for example, grade this one, then about the lesson, you can chat it. So, it's very easy to use. Convenient siya kasi marami namang tools din. Ayan, sa tools, whiteboard, teaching assistant. Parang i-contact mo yung admin dito sa teaching assistant. Tapos notes. Then, React naman. Para siyang Skype or Zoom. May reaction. Then, yan. Like, button. Like that. And then more, yung more naman, ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi nakikita mo kung strong ba yung connection. Like, may connection, have poor connection, recheck mo, or refresh. Mhm. So, trying turn off the camera din. Ginagawa ko yun. Kagabi, may student ako from US. And, yun, nag-turn off na lang ako kasi talagang hindi siya stable. My connection is unstable. Tapos pwede mo din ma-send ito yung classroom link. Send link to, copy mo lang siya. Then, send mo na siya yan. Kay Dre, for example. Then, as you can see, it's it. May setting din siya. Yan, makikita nyo kung pwede nyo ma-adjust. Ito, nakakonect kasi sa Huawei ko. Huawei, yes, this one. So, I'm using Huawei. And it's very useful din kasi I'm not using my headset. Masakit kasi sa tenga. Then, yun lang. So, I hope you have knowledge na about Ripley. So, exit natin yung classroom. Leave lang. Leave the classroom. That's it. Oh, yan. Yun na yun, guys. I have another class tomorrow pa naman siya. 11 p.m. And tinatamad ako. So, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye.